Topic: Rate of a chemical reaction. Students, today we will understand the first and most important concept of chemical kinetics, rate of a chemical reaction. The simple meaning of rate is how fast a reaction is taking place. In scientific language, rate of reaction is the change in concentration of a reactant or a product per unit time. Imagine a simple reaction. Reactant R is converting into product P. As the reaction proceeds, the concentration of reactant R keeps decreasing. The concentration of product P keeps increasing. So, we can understand the rate in two ways: through the reactant, how fast it is decreasing; through the product, how fast it is increasing. So we say, rate of reaction is equal to the decrease in concentration of the reactant per unit time or the increase in concentration of the product per unit time. A minus sign is used in the case of reactant because its concentration decreases. Now understand the units, very important. The unit of concentration is mole per liter. The unit of time is second. So, the unit of rate of reaction becomes mole per liter per second. Now a very important point that is directly asked in exams. The rate of reaction is always written with respect to 1 mole. That is why, when numbers appear in a reaction, we must use those numbers. For example, AA plus BB gives CC plus DD. Here is the important understanding: A and B are reactants, their concentration decreases. C and D are products, their concentration increases. But while finding the rate, we do not only see the change in concentration. We also divide that change by their respective numbers in the reaction. Because the rate is always expressed for 1 mole. This means, whether you find the rate using A, or using B, or using C, or using D, the value of the rate will always be the same. You only need to divide by their numbers. So remember, rate of reaction tells us how fast reactants are disappearing or how fast products are forming per unit time. This concept will be used further in rate law, order of reaction, and the entire chapter. If this is clear, chemical kinetics will feel much easier.